I'm Lewis with BMW Manhattan, and this is your snack pack on the all-new 2 Series Gran Coupe. It's all about standard safety features with the 2 Gran Coupe. Frontal collision warning with city mitigation, active blind spot detection, lane departure warning are standard on the 2 Series Gran Coupe. The smallest BMW with all those features standard. In addition, you have BMW's legendary xDrive as standard, and this 4-cylinder engine in the 228 you see here generates 228 horsepower. Now let's hop inside and see what other standard features the 2 Series Gran Coupe has to offer. The standard equipment continues on the inside of the 2 Series Gran Coupe. You get iDrive 6.0 with navigation and touchscreen. iDrive 7.0 is an available upgrade along with the Live Cockpit Pro display, which gives you a full digital cluster right in front of you. In addition to that, the convenience package, which this car has, gives you a panoramic moonroof, comfort access keyless entry, and Sirius XM satellite radio included for 1 year. This has been your snack pack on the all-new 2 Series Gran Coupe. Be sure to follow us on all of our social channels, BMWNYC on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.